Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking a brawler built for kills and map control. Choose one that fits the map. Once picked, set gadgets and star powers for sustain and quick burst so you can win trades. Move to the center or a strong lane immediately and pressure opponents. Keep vision on likely flank routes. If you force an early 1v1, commit only when you have health or teammate support, because early trades decide skirmishes. Once mid-game hits, you shift into punishing mode. Bait abilities and then punish quickly, because a delayed counter wastes advantage. Make angled pushes from cover so enemies can't retreat safely, and make sure to time your engage with team pressure. Do not chase across open ground solo. When an enemy drops below half health, call or signal for focus fire and finish them fast. This keeps respawns staggered and increases your takedown rate steadily. You close matches by isolating and finishing weakened foes. Use your super or gadget to seal escapes and prioritize fragile targets. Once you rack up takedowns, rotate to objectives so kills translate into wins, capture, push, or control choke points. If things go wrong and you're not getting takedowns, reset. Back off to heal, change approach, and watch enemy movement for predictable mistakes. Make small adjustments, then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.